then got the analytics screen. So this is kind of our OEE reference screen that tells us how the machine's running and lets the operator or supervisor know at a glance how has the machine been operating over the past either shift or week or month. They can control it however they want by pressing this reset button when they want to reset all the metrics. So to go down into the individual metrics, you've got the availability screen. The availability basically tells you how long has the system been available for, and the way we determine that is we have a total time. So this time is a total time in hours, minutes, and seconds that the system has been running. So as long as it's been powered on. So as long as the system's been powered on, that time will start running. And it will continue to run the entire time the device is powered. We then have the available time. Now the key is the available time is not the running time. The available time is just the time the system could be running. It's possible to run it, so it might have been running, or it might just been sat there waiting for the next campaign to start. But the key is it was available for that amount of time. The fault stop time is like the downtime that we have as a result of a direct fault. So if an emergency stops press, for example, or if we haven't configured the machine properly and set it up yet, we'll be in a fault condition as we are now. So you can see the fault times increasing, and that will reduce our overall availability. We then have the performance figure. So the performance figure takes in what is our requested rate, what rate are we trying to run at, which is given by our target, and then it tells you what our current cycle rate is. So what are we actually producing? How is our product cycle going? So generally that will advise you if you've been having kind of material supply issues. So if you haven't been getting material along the product line, it'll tell you that you've got a problem. And again, you get an overall percentage there. You then have your quality metric, and that's quite straightforward. So on a system that's got inspection, that's just telling you how many products have gone through the system as a whole and how many rejects have you had. And that'll give you your quality figure. Those three figures feed back in to the overall equipment efficiency. So basically, at a glance, you can see, is the machine running well or badly? And then you can break it down into, well, which section am I having a problem with? Is it availability? Is the machine having faults that I now need to deal with? I'll get a service visit in to deal with. Am I having performance issues, which, like I say, generally the supply into the machine, so I don't need to look at what's upstream of the equipment to find out where the problem is? Or is it the quality? And the quality obviously might indicate that there's issues with the label design, the print quality. So it just kind of points you in the right direction, basically.